Today starting about the DCT question of the F3E Fundamental of Electrical and Electronic. Let me show in pictures of the F3E. These are the pictures include for F3E electrical device symbols. Show for name and symbol. Fix to rising for picture. Electrical wire symbols. Fix 2 or 3 question rising for this picture symbol. Let's me first one question. Each of the below the symbol for not correct wire. A, B, C, D. A is correct transport for wire symbol. B is jointing wire symbol correct. D is as a switch wire symbol. C is not correct. Above pass the wire. C is answer. Identify the below symbol and select the current options. Jumper, P, DIP switch, Fuse bottom switch, SP, ST together switch. No, A, B, C not answer. B is correct answer. Let's about third one's question. Select the correct answer for chasing ground for the below image. Chasing ground symbol. A, C, D. D is none of this. A is correct answer. Chasing for this ground symbol. Let's fourth one question. Identify the components used in the below circuit. Components used. Current. This is the picture. Identify the options. A is current source and voltage source. B is voltage source and adapter. C is voltage source and resistor. Voltage and resistor. Let's me voltage source and adapter. Is the B is correct answer. Let's go about the fifth one question. Select the list of components used in this below circuit. This picture. Which one symbols? Let's me A is voltage sources, polarized capacitor, resistor and earth ground. B is ohms meter, LED, AC voltage source and battery cell. C is AC voltage source, earth ground, motor and summit tire. Generator, disk, fuse and earth ground. A is correct answer. AC voltage source is the AC voltage source symbol. Pozzolana capacitor and resistor. This is one the resistor and earth ground is the earth ground symbol. A is correct answer. Let's about sixth one question. Identify the P channel field effect transistor. A, B, C, D. is the A is correct answer. Identify the P channel. This is a P channel symbol. The effect transistor. Let's about the seventh one question. A ground or earth symbol identify a ground terminal. Each is the used for electrical shock protection. Each for the following represent the ground symbol. Earthing symbol for choose A, B, C, D. A1 above direction, not earthing symbol. C1 side one direction, not earthing symbol. D1 side direction, not earthing symbol. B is correct answer. Downward direction of the earthing symbol. Let's about eighth one question. What is the represented by the following electrical symbol? A1 electrical wire, C capacitor, B switch, last one resistor. This is the picture about the resistor symbol. That's why D is correct answer. What is the represented by the following electrical symbol? Electrical wire, switch, resistor, capacitor. Not the electrical wire symbol. Switch not symbol, and resistor about picture. You can just tick the answer. That's why this is the picture about the capacitor. Let's about C is correct answer. Let's 10th one. What is the represented by the below electrical symbol? Battery, fuse, terminal, last D1 transformer. This symbol is the transformer symbol. That's why D is correct answer. 11th one. What is the represented by the following electrical symbol? A1 battery, B1 fuse, terminal, transformer. About batteries, this is the battery symbol. A is correct answer. Let's about the 12th one question. Use casting when working near electrical. A is always, B is never, C is rarely, D is sometime. Use connection when working a nearest electrical. Always nearest electrical. A is correct answer. Let's about the 13th one question. Match following given leads, color types and symbol types. One is red, second one is yellow, blue, green. P1 is warning, Q is mandatory, R is probability, S is information and emergency. A, B, C, D. A1 is yes, 2 is connecting with P, warning. 3 is Q, monitoring. 4 is green, probability. This one A is correct answer. One is information and emergency is red. Okay na? yellow is P. Let's one warning. 2 is warning P. 3 is Q. Below blue monitoring. 4 is R. Green is probability. Let's about the 14th question. Determine the symbol types and select the approximately category. Warning, monitoring, probability, information and emergency. This is picture about the emergency situation. This is the D is correct answer. And 15th question, find the approximate category for the below symbol types. Warning, probability, information and emergency, monitoring is correct answer. This is the monitoring symbol. Let's me about 16th question. Personal protective equipment is required when employer suffer an injury, the employer suffer an injury, and C1 employer asks for it to D1 engineer work protective and administrative control do not offer young safety from risks. Let's miss D is correct answer. Emergency work protective and administrative control do not offer injury safety for risks. Let me about the 17th question. Welding fields primarily defend against A1 duct, B1 metal plaster, C1 flashes, D1 flying particles. Is the B is correct answer. Metal plasters. Okay, now identify each is 18th question. Identify each is not a PPE for the below. A1 insulation, glowing. A1 insulation, glowing, welding, field, voltage, detector, sunglasses. Not a PPE is called sunglasses. D1 correct answer. Let's me about the 19th question. Each protective equipment PPE full form is the used for the protection for fuse. A1 apron, C1 A1 apron, B1 goggle, C1 air mark, D1 noise mark. PPE personal protective equipment is noise mark. D is correct answer. Let's about the last 20th question. What is the name of PPE? A1 noise mark, face field, B1 field slide, D1 head screen. The D is correct answer, head screen. Thank you for watching video lecturer.